Hi, I'm Linda Bratten, the creative force behind Linda Bratten Creations, and I'm a national educator with Baby Lock. I live in central Missouri, but my passion for quilting and sewing started in my home state of Nebraska. My background in home economics education has served me well as I travel sharing my love of all things quilting and sewing. I offer in-person and virtual presentations, and my online class with Craftsy has been taken by over 3,000 students. I started my quilting adventure learning traditional techniques, but now I find great joy in creating art quilts and developing easy-to-use patterns to teach these techniques to others. I love quilting on a domestic sewing machine and have assisted many in developing their free motion quilting skills. Some of my most requested classes and presentations are free motion fundamentals, getting into grid work, nature-inspired quilting motifs, pushing the rulers, and quilting on the edge, which shows you how to use rulers or templates to quilt your pieces. My thread painting and sketching techniques are very similar to free motion quilting, but they're easier to master. I have a variety of patterns to assist you in learning the basics and to build up your skills. My landscape quilting series shows quilters how to use their own photos to create fun and personal quilts. My landscape workshops give participants hands-on experience with a variety of techniques to enhance their quilts. Do you want to explore foundation paper piecing? I love helping beginners to discover this accurate piecing method and have developed some great projects and patterns that build on the skills and confidence needed to become proficient in this technique. Notice how this sample of free motion quilting looks great, but check out what happens when you add a little bit of textile paint. I love using a variety of products and techniques and have developed patterns and workshops to give you the hands-on experience so you can see just how fun it is. Finally, I do love sharing my work with others and have developed a couple of trunk shows that feature my work. My Telling Your Story is a presentation on labeling your quilts, but I bring a ton of label samples to show you and share that are on the back of my pieces. My Adventures into Art Quilting tells my story of how I developed my skills and the ups and downs that brought me to where I am in my creative life today. If you are interested in learning more about my presentations and workshops, go to my website, lindabrattencreations.com, and fill out a contact form requesting the complete program list that I offer to guilds and shops. While you're there, sign up for my free monthly newsletter, Linda Be Creative, where I share interesting things that are going on and let you know where I'm presenting next. I hope I can inspire you to be creative, and I look forward to the opportunity of working with you.